So my website is www.bugit.uk and my email is bugitltd@gmail.com. Now today I'm going to show you this really impressive cable, callback cable. As you can see, it's dual headed, so underneath is the Android and on the top is the iPhone. Now I've just texted the device and actually it's calling me now as it's detected. So I will open that. Hello, 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 hello. So you can tell, you can hear my voice in the background. So that's the device calling me back as I have asked it to call me once it detects noise. So it's up to you if you answer it or not. If you don't want to listen to it there and then, it will go to your answer phone and you'll have probably a long message. I will put that down. Now the other thing that I was quite impressed with is, if you look in the manual, it's asking me to download an app called 365 GPS. So I've done that, and if I go to it, it's telling me my location, etc. So I'm really impressed with that. And it told me whereabouts I was, etc. So that's quite good. If you do put it in someone's car or anything like that, you can go into the app, and there's quite a few options really inside there. Find a device. There's all sorts in it. I'm quite impressed with the lead itself. But yeah, so the appearance is quite good. Yeah, that light you see flashing there, don't worry about that, because this does go on it before you do plant it, before you do plug it in, give it some power. What I will advise to you is, if you're going to set this up, you must text it 000 hashtag your phone number that you want it to phone, hashtag. You send that and you'll wait for 1 second. It's going to put it down and it's detected us. So you will then wait for a message that will come through, and it will say administrator is saved. Once it's done that, you're then all ready to text it 333 for callback. If you text it 333, it will call you once it detects noise. And that's basically that.